Here is how to use rendering mode.4js engine. First, you need to download ffmpeg. Link for it will be in the description. Download whatever version suits your operating system. Once you have it downloaded, extract the .zip. Go to the bin, then copy the ffmpeg.exe and place it into your JS Engine folder. Now open JS Engine. Go to Options, then Game Rendering. Use these preferred settings, best for high quality. Find your song, then start recording, and record while the song plays through. 10x speed. Once the song is done, you should get this menu. Close JS Engine, then go to Assets, then Game Renders. Make sure there is a MP4 file with the song's name in the folder. I forgot to record this part, so you will have to listen. Open your editor of choice. Highly recommend CapCut. Import that MP4 in the Game Renders folder, as well as the song's instant voices. Make sure everything is synced together. Once you are about to export, use these settings. This is very important. It may take a while to export, and if you did everything correctly, this is what you should end up with.